Wow, your cat is so cute. I like its brown color.
Her name is Daisy.
How old is she?
She's 3 years old.
Her fur is so soft and fluffy. What things does your cat like doing?
She likes playing with a yarn ball. She also likes to rub up against your leg. She is so loving and sweet.
Why do cats purr?
They purr when they're content. Daisy is content and happy each time I stroke her.
What does she eat?
She usually eats cat food, but we also give her meat, oats, rice and eggs.
What about milk?
She doesn't like milk.
Does she catch mice?
Yes, she does, occasionally. She is a very good hunter. She can run really fast. She's tired now. She usually sleeps at least 15 hours a day. What about you? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a very cute dog. His name is Max. He's 4 years old now. It is my job to take Max for a walk every day. He loves to play fetch. It's his favorite game. He knows how to sit, stand or beg. He enjoys being petted. He likes treats like a bone, biscuits or special stuff. He wags his tail when he's happy.
Your dog is really smart and friendly. Where does he sleep?
He sleeps in my bedroom. He has his own bed.
What is this animal?
It's a panda.
It's really cute.
It has black fur on ears, around eyes, on its arms, legs, and upper chest. The rest of the fur is white.
Where does it live?
It lives in bamboo forests, in China.
What type of animal is it?
It's a mammal. Look. It has 2 cubs.
What do pandas eat?
They eat mostly bamboo.
Pandas seem pretty big. How much do they weigh?
They can get up to 160 kilograms.
And how long do they live?
20 years in the wild, and 30 years in captivity.
What is this animal?
It's a lion.
What type of animal is it?
It is a mammal.
Where does it live?
It lives in Africa and Asia, in the savanna. Lions live in groups called prides.
Does a lion have fur?
Yes, it does. A lion also has a tail with hair on its tip, and a strong body with 4 legs. A male lion has a mane.
Its mane is really impressive.
Lions have a very loud roar.
What does it eat?
It eats deer, zebras and bulls.
How long do lions live?
In the wild, lions live for an average of 15 years. They live up to 25 years in captivity.
What are these animals?
They're bats.
What type of animals are they? Are they birds?
No, they aren't. They're mammals that can fly. They have wings, large ears and fur.
Why do bats hang upside down?
Because they can only start to fly from a hanging position.
Where do they live?
They live in caves.
What do they eat?
They eat a lot of insects.
When do they sleep?
During the day mostly. They only go out at night.
How long does a bat live?
It can live 20 years on average.
Bats are really interesting and fascinating.
What is this animal?
It's a shark.
What type of animal is it?
It's a fish.
Where do sharks live?
Sharks live in every ocean in the world.
Are they dangerous?
Yes, they are.
Do sharks have scales?
Yes, they do. They also have long fins, long noses and thousands of sharp teeth.
What does a shark eat?
It eats fish, turtles and seals.
How long do sharks live?
They can live 30 years on average.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website kidspeaches.com.